Hi, my name is Sean Greeley, and I'm going to be talking about the career path of becoming a personal trainer. So, what do they do? Not like an athletic trainer where they put you through physical therapy to get over injuries and that sort of thing. Personal trainers kind of help you further your body's development and help you reach goals such as losing weight, gaining muscle, that sort of thing, through group led or one on one exercise kind of work, through like say weightlifting or a like how they do on Peloton, that sort of thing. So these people can help by keeping the client motivated and keeping them on task, as well as providing expertise through each movement and kind of providing insight. I know a lot of people have trouble staying motivated when they first start working out. And these just having somebody to push you along can really help with that process. They don't make a whole lot of money starting out. Entry level jobs make around 23,000 yearly. Average pay is around 38,000 yearly. The top 10% are making around 63,000 per year. And where you work can vary how much you get paid. Locations with the highest wages are, on average, are Massachusetts, Vermont, and California. So if you decide to go into personal training, that might be a big deciding factor. Education. In a sample that was taken of personal trainers, over half listed that they had acquired a bachelor's degree. However, no degree from a university or college is required for you to go into personal training. You can get certified online and just kind of dive right into the career path. Some skills that would be helpful in this field of work include being energetic, bringing energy to the workout for your client can really help them get over the hump if they weren't having a great day, just aren't feeling the workout. It can really motivate them and get them going into their workout and help them better themselves. Being charismatic can really help. Talking to them and allowing them to feel comfortable and vulnerable can help them open up and allow them to admit when they need help with a certain thing or if they need input. So, and it can only help if they are opening up to you for help. That extra expertise kind of leads into being knowledgeable as well. Bringing that knowledge that you have from your own experiences can help a new lifter or someone who's new to the type of workouts that you're doing. Giving them extra knowledge can help them better themselves than they could on their own. Being a leader and able to work in groups kind of goes together. If you're doing group work, you need to be able to take charge and be able to be flexible and bounce around from person to person to help everyone better themselves as opposed to just one or two people. So this is my citation, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.